Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful wreath for around $8 using mostly Dollar Tree items. The form that I'm actually using today is a floral form, and it was marked down from $5.99 to $1.49 at Hobby Lobby because there's this little rip on the side of it. That's an easy fix. I'm going to repair it with a little bit of hot glue, but do be careful because foam can melt, but good as new. Next, I'm going to be using these 15-foot garland strands that are from the Dollar Tree, and they do have wire in the middle, which make them nice and convenient to mold around your form, so I'm just going to keep doing that until I get to the end. Once I was done with that first strand, I did take it and work out the spacing a little bit. I did do it pretty tight at first, but this allowed me to use up more space with less garland. Once I was happy with the spacing, I took the end of that wire and just tucked it under to secure that in place. And you're just going to continue doing that with every additional strand. It took me 3 strands total, and it looks really full and really high quality. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. These really pretty floral sprigs from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use 2 of them total. But I'm just going to take the end of that sprig and work it in under the wiring of the garland. And you just might need to play with this for a couple of minutes to get the spacing right and make sure that it is actually pretty secure within that wreath. The centerpiece that I'm going to be using is this cute truck ornament that I got from the Dollar Tree. They may be kind of hard to find at this point, but any cute ornament or decoration that you can find that you like will work. Now, before I put my ornament down, I am using some hot glue to secure those sprigs onto my form, and then I coat the back of my ornament and secure it in place. I do hold it there for several seconds to make sure that it is where I want it to be. And then you can add in a little bit of additional hot glue to any areas that you need. And lastly, I'm going to be using some of these Dollar Tree ball ornaments on the rest of my wreath. So just apply some hot glue to the back of that and place them wherever you would like on your wreath. And now I am done with my cute $8 Dollar Tree wreath. And it is so cute. I love that I could personalize it with that truck ornament. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.